On December 30th, 2023, NASA's Juno spacecraft captured stunning images of the North Polar region of Io, Jupiter's volcanic moon, during its 57th close pass of the gas giant. Imaged at a resolution of 1.1 miles per pixel, this detailed snapshot revealed fascinating geological features along Io's terminator, the line dividing day and night. The low-angle sunlight illuminated previously unseen mountain blocks towering above the surrounding plains. Each of these peaks is marked by sharp summits, with adjacent slopes seemingly collapsing toward the plains below. The tallest peaks rise between 2.3 and 6.1 miles in elevation, while their flanks slope into plateaus less than 0.6 miles high. These mountains are cloaked in bright white deposits, thought to be sulfur dioxide frosts originating from Io's interior gases. Surrounding these peaks are vast flow fields, with darker regions in Lei-Kung Fluctus indicating intense volcanic activity. Thermal processes may have released these lighter deposits, creating a stark contrast against the darker volcanic flows. Juno's imagery offers an unparalleled glimpse into the dynamic geology of Io, showcasing the interplay of volcanic activity, sulfuric frost, and dramatic topography on the solar system's most volcanically active body. For more captivating space discoveries from Juno and in-depth explorations of Io, make sure to like, comment, and subscribe to our channel Beyond Earth Buckle Up. Remember to take care of one another, and always keep looking up.